Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about PHP echo and print statements. So, echo and print are more or less the same. They both are used to output data to the screen. So we can display statements, we can display strings and variables, the value of variables on the screen by using these two commands, echo and print. There's a little difference between echo and print, which is that echo has no return value, while print returns 1, which means we can use print command when in expressions when we need some return value. Otherwise, they always do the, do the same task. So coming to the IDE, this is Atom IDE. So we will first create a new file and save it as a echoprint.php. PHP is a file extension, as you know. So we will write the basic syntax of PHP. And this is the basic syntax of PHP. And first we will see the echo statement. It is written like as echo and the text. For displaying text, it is used as like this, echo, and then we write some text like I am new to PHP. For example, we will create some variable, as you know how to create variable. To display this variable on the screen, we write it as echo $x, the name of variable. So let us save this and let's come to browser, see what happens. Localhost .php basics, and then here echo print.php. You can see the output on the screen. I'm new to PHP, and 10, the value of variable. So let's make it in different lines. In here, I will add a HTML break, BR tag. Now coming to browser and refreshing the page, I'm new to PHP and 10 in a different line. So this was about how to print a text message or how to print variable by using echo command. Now coming to print statement, we will see the use of print statement. We have to do a little change here, like I will make it print and I will make it print also. Saving this. Now we will refresh the page and we will see the same output is here. So this was the use of echo and print statement, how to display a text and how to display a variable using echo and print. Let's dictate another variable, d equal 30 and plus of d. In PHP, the type is automatically detected. We don't have to write type of a variable. It's the beauty of PHP. So coming to browser, and refreshing the page, you can see I am new to PHP, and in the next line 40, it is the sum of two variables. This was all about this echo and print statement in PHP. Uh, like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.